time. I'm Abby. I'm cleaning. I'm studying. What are you doing? What are you doing?
I'm watching.
What are you doing?
I'm watching TV.
I see.
What are you doing?
I'm eating.
What are you doing?
I'm eating breakfast.
Oh, it's yummy.
What are you doing?
I'm studying.
What are you doing?
I'm studying English.
Sounds interesting.
What are you doing?
I'm playing.
What are you doing?
I'm playing games.
Nice! Can I join? What are you doing?
I'm cleaning.
What are you doing?
I'm cleaning my room. What are you doing?
I'm helping.
What are you doing?
I'm helping my sister.
That's so sweet. Let's practice. What are you doing?
I'm watching TV.
What are you doing? I'm eating breakfast. What are you doing?
I'm studying English.
Now you ask.
What are you doing?
I'm playing games.
What are you doing?
I'm cleaning my room.
What are you doing? I'm helping my sister. I'm watching TV.
I'm eating breakfast.
I'm studying English.
I'm playing games.
I'm cleaning my room. I'm helping my sister.
What are you doing? You did great! Till next time!